Hello everyone, part hairs from middle, make a square section of front hair, add hair ties, tie the ends with back hairs, add hair elastic. Part the hairs as shown, tie top section using elastic, part the other section into 3 squares, tie them, make braids, tie braids with the top hair, make a braid, spin it around into a bun, add hair elastic. Part front hair into 6 sections, tie them using elastic, part back hairs as shown, make a ponytail, add bun maker puff, wrap the hairs around it, make 2 braids, tie them around as shown, part back hairs and braid them, add a hairband. Make a ponytail, divide the hair into 2 parts, tie the hairs, now tie the other part as shown, pull out the hairs, tie the ends in a heart shape, add hair elastic. Part the front hair into 4 sections, tie them, make braid, braid the hairs, part the back hairs from middle, tie them. Now tie the braids in crisscross, make braids, fold them and add hair elastic. Part hairs into 3 sections, tie the top sections, part the back hair into 4 sections, tie them in a crisscross, tie the ends with the top hairs. Now braid them, spin it around into a bun, add hair elastic. Part front hairs as shown, tie them using different color elastic, part hairs in a triangle as shown, tie them, flip them using topsy tail, make 2 braids using 2 different color strings, make a bow, tie the ends with the bottom section. Part the hairs in a crisscross, tie them, make braids. Now tie the braids as shown in the video, part the back hairs and tie them. Thank you.